Scholarship Advancement Training Course for the first and second quarter of this school year 2024-2025. Achieve and strengthen their military behavior and good service as cadet officers and leaders of the institution. Today marks the special event of the organization. The CAT class Kamantag, class Masikasi, and class Pablis for their battalion formation. Please welcome the arrival of the senior and junior officers of Capitolio High School CAT organization, headed by Cadet Lieutenant Colonel De Leon Chini of class Masikasi, entrance by Lieutenant Colonel Solidad Christian, with the Deputy Heads, Deputy Secretary, Cadet Major Domingo Isaiah Mecaday, Deputy Chief for Internal Education, Cadet Major Manuel Chris Lawrence, Deputy for Internal Training, Cadet Major Moses Aaron Lawrence, Deputy Chief for Finance, Cadet Mother Sabino Richie, Deputy Chief for External Affairs, Cadet Major Lieutenant John Bradley, Deputy Chief for Security, Cadet Major Surveillance Charles Matthew. Ladies and gentlemen, the beginning of the class Pablis battalion formation, headed by the battalion commander, Cadet Captain Nantil Mahaili Avioni, class Kamantag, followed by the deputy chief of the joint staff from 1 to 8.